welcome to Jigsaw Shed. No, not actually my workshop today, and that has everything to do with this box right here. Now, when I was at Maker Central, I got to speak to Ben from Crimson Guitars about staining techniques, and he suggested that I get an airbrush kit, and just getting one off Amazon to start with and practice and play with. So I got a Volamart complete airbrush kit with a compressor. So I've not opened this yet, so I don't know what's inside, so you can find out with me. But it'd be a good thing for those, well, I've been searching for ages, looking at different kits and everything, and trying to also watch the pennies. So it'd be interesting to see what this is like, how it works, and it may be something then that helps someone else start taking up more of the colouring with airbrushes. So let's see. Firstly, a sealed manual showing everything that's inside. Pop that there. Okay, we can look at that later. So what it comes with as well is a set of stencils, because I do say for cake decorating, car, painting, I think, and various other crafts, but there's a whole set of stencils in this. So you got some of various nice stencils, so that'd be interesting to play with and have see how they come out with these stains. So it comes with 3 different sets. So the first one that comes out is the one with the little glass bottle underneath, and yeah, it looks quite neatly packaged as well. So then there's another, and then this one with the I don't know exactly what to call it, but the canister on top, and a little pipette to fill it up with as well. And there's a hose for that, so that looks like a mounting bracket of some sort. It should come out. Oh no, it's for your nozzles to sit in while they're using, but to keep them upright, so that's quite handy. And these look like cleaning pieces, so cleaning wires, brushes, so that will come in handy cleaning out those thin nozzles. Right, oh. I can't actually get this out. Just put it on the side. So that is a compressor in there, but we have another brush there again. So 3 brushes, which will come in quite handy when you've got different colors. You don't need to change in between. Each can be filled with a separate color. Yeah, I guess that worked quite nicely. Don't have to clean in between. Right. Right, there we go, just the little compressor. And actually, it's a lot smaller than I expected, so should fit nicely into a small workshop. So yeah, I'm happy with that. It'd be good to see now how that works. So obviously I'm going to have to see how this all fits together and how everything well, is set up, and then have a bit of a play. So I'll bring you back once I've set it up in the workshop, and also ready to have the first goes with it. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, so upon reading a bit more, the airbrush guns should all be different nozzle sizes. So one should be 0.3mm, another 0.2mm, and another 0.35mm. But the two silver ones, I can't see the difference between them, and even their packaging doesn't say which one is which. So we'll probably just find out if they are different or not. But they all come with this adapter, but for the hose I've got, these don't work, so I can take that off and screw that bit in. Now with this bit that they've got on here, it's actually a quick release as well. Now unfortunately there's only one of these in the kit, so if you've got one on the quick release, the others you may have to then screw in by taking this bit off right here. But maybe I'll see if I can get a spares of these, which will make it a lot quicker, just by popping it in. Okay, so I'm going to fill it up with some yellow to start with. Let's just get the hose off first. Now the kit does come with a little pipette as well. Each or at least the two silver guns comes with a little pipette that you can fill up with, so it just makes spillage a bit less. So as you can see, obviously I've got a bowl black already made up. I put some black stain on there just to bring out the grain a bit more, but we'll see how that goes. Alright, so to switch it on, just flip the switch. It runs up to 4 psi and then switches off. It's actually a really nice, quiet little machine. So obviously I've just got to get used to the trigger itself and just how it works. Yeah. Right, let's go for it. So I'm going to build it up, sort of go for a bit of a sunbursty effect, sunset almost, so we'll see how it goes. Now I could use different colors, because they're all just going to blend. I may as well just add color into this. So if I look for the orange, so I'm obviously just using the samples from the chestnut spirit stains. As it's late, I'm only just using the one airbrush gun at the moment, just to save up on cleaning afterwards. But I will definitely be having more goes with these. I'll go with a red stain here. So I'm only using small amounts of stain at the moment. So these pots work really well. I've used them a long time already, and they've lasted really nicely, so yeah. I could do with a bit more red on the edges. I may just darken it just a tad. There we go. Let's add a tiny speck of black into it. That's just a nice thing with the spirit stains, you can mix the colours. So I'm just going to build the colours up a bit more, but for that I'm going to use yellow again, so we'll have to use the other gun. Otherwise I'll make the yellow very dark. Help if I remember that I switched it off. Back to the orange. So you can't see it on the camera, but I'm just using the little support to hold them in a place so that they stay upright. Just means that if there is any stain or paint in one, it's not going to go all over your desk or your workbench. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. So it was just a bit of moisture buildup in the air hose, so the regulator is supposed to stop that. But and when I sprayed, or when I connected the one hose, the connection had just caused it to come into the air gun, and there was a little bit where the water had then started moving the stains, but covered it over with a bit more, and I think in the grand scheme of things it will look fine. Well, there you go. There's my first attempt at using the airbrush kit with spirit stains. There's currently 4 coats of lacquer on here, but I will be applying more and then finishing the bowl off, but we'll probably release that as another video. Now, Ben from Crimson Guitars did say that to get a decent sunburst effect, it is best to use a spray gun or airbrush kit. And he's not wrong. I'm really pleased with this, and yeah, please let me know what you think in the comments down below. So I'm really impressed with the kit, given the cost, and it just worked really well. You get ample amount of guns with it, and the one thing was the pump did get very hot, but I think that's mostly with it, just obviously small compressor, and but yeah, I'm really pleased with it. The gun I didn't use, if I can get open, has a little adjuster there, so you can set the volume of paint flow, so that will be consistent as well. But I haven't tried it, so don't fully know yet how well that works. So we'll be trying that on another project some point. I then also have a few shout outs still for Maker Central to do as well. So spent quite a bit of time and money over at Taylor's Murfield, and got to meet Dan and Katie there as well. So if you've not visited their shop before, do check it out online, and they've got some great kits and gear there as well. I then also got to meet Huey Lionsheart, really nice guy, and a great maker as well. Some really interesting stuff he's done on his channel. That's if he can get in his workshop. Then I also got to see or meet El's Hack Shack. So really great guy and always fun to watch. So again, all links will be in the description down below. I then also spent quite a bit of time over at the Dremel stand and met Spirit and Bear, or Kez and Phil, and really nice chatting with them, really great people. And the artwork that Kez was doing there with the Dremel Versatip was just amazing, and she sort of convinced me then to get a Dremel Versatip myself. So watch out for that in future projects. Really looking forward to using that. And then lastly, also got to meet Nerdforge. Great people, and some amazing work they do on their channel, from dioramas and cosplay costumes, but really great skills and beautiful work there. So do check them out. Anyway, that's it from me for now. I really enjoyed this unboxing and using this airbrush kit for the first time. I was surprised with how easy it worked, and just the effect it gave is awesome. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment down below. And if you've not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.